While the excitement around Tesla Bot Gen 2 hasn't died down yet, Elon Musk has confirmed that Optimus Gen 3 will debut in Q1 next year. This version will be capable of doing everything from cooking and cleaning to taking care of people. Yeah, according to Musk, it will be so human-like that we'll have a hard time telling the difference. And it will be able to perform around 3,000 useful tasks at a price of $30,000. Here's what Elon Musk recently revealed about this version.
We look forward to unveiling Optimus V3, probably in Q1. I think it'll be ready for to show off, and that I think is going to be quite remarkable. It won't even seem like a robot. It'll seem like a person in a robot suit, which is kind of how we started off with Optimus. But it'll seem so real that you'll need to poke it, I think, to believe that it's actually a robot.
Even before Optimus Gen 3 is released, Elon Musk has shocked everyone by announcing that Tesla will mass-produce Optimus Gen 4 and Gen 5.
We'll do Optimus 4, that'll be, 10 million units. Optimus 5, maybe 50 to 100 million units. I mean, it's really pretty nutty.
This means that Optimus Gen 3 won't be the final version of the Tesla bot. And if the Gen 3 model can perform 3,000 useful tasks, that implies Optimus Gen 5 could double that number to around 6,000 tasks with accuracy potentially matching that of a human. It won't just be limited to simple chores like cooking and cleaning. It will also be integrated into various environments, one of which is hospitals. According to Elon Musk,
Optimus will be an incredible surgeon, for example. And imagine if everyone had access to an incredible surgeon.
According to speculation, this could be the most advanced and expensive version of the Tesla bot. We wouldn't be surprised if it's priced around $80,000. The logic is simple. If it can handle 70 out of the 100 tasks a human can do, it could actually generate income for its owner. In that sense, it would pay for itself, and the payback period could be quite short. Okay, that's everything you need to know about Optimus Gen 3, Gen 4, and Gen 5. Is Tesla truly leading the humanoid robot revolution? Let's dive into the latest updates right now. Before we get started, what do you think about the Unitry G1 robot video showing it pulling a car in a garage? It's described as 35 kilograms pulling 1,500 kilograms. But we're a bit skeptical. Maybe the driver helped move the car. We could be wrong, though. What do you think? Drop a comment below. Okay. Earlier today, Elon Musk posted on X saying, "Great Tesla Optimus engineering and manufacturing review today. Imagine having your personal C3PO and R2-D2. Optimus will be even better." This isn't the first time Elon Musk has compared Optimus to C3PO. But it seems to be a compliment following the robot's recent attention and praise for handing out Halloween candy to people in New York's Times Square. It's also not the first time Tesla Optimus has captured public attention. The company has created plenty of buzz and jobs through its various projects. Optimus has even served drinks and popcorn at Tesla dinner events. And the Tesla bot isn't just here to tidy your house or work on the factory floor. That's only the beginning. Next year, it's set to take things to a whole new level with a lineup of brand new abilities and features rolling out ahead of its official launch. Yeah. For the past 3 years, Elon Musk has been making bold promises about the Tesla bot. Not just to excite fans, but to convince investors, employees, and the public to look beyond Tesla's identity as a car company. He's betting the company's future on a humanoid robot designed to help with everyday life, from cooking and cleaning to childcare and more. Musk has even said on at least 5 separate occasions that Optimus will one day outsell every other Tesla product in history. So, we've made radical improvements to the design of Optimus while increasing the functionality, but making it actually possible to manufacture. I'd say Optimus 2 is almost impossible to manufacture. Frankly, from the very start of the Q3 earnings call, all eyes were on one thing: the reveal of Optimus version 3. Elon Musk hinted that the new model could debut as early as the first quarter of next year. But what really grabbed attention was his description. The next Optimus, he said, won't even look like a robot. It'll look like a person in a robot suit, Musk joked. So realistic that you'd have to poke it just to be sure it's not human. That means this next version will take refinement to a whole new level. Every contour and surface carefully designed to conceal wires, joints, or mechanical parts almost entirely. Musk has even hinted that its movements will be so smooth and lifelike that you could easily mistake it for a real person. Rumors are already swirling that Tesla Bot 3 might come with an OLED display for its face, Grok voice integration, and remarkably human-like hands. While Elon Musk hasn't confirmed those details, he also hasn't denied them, and that says a lot. For now, he's clarified that the model we've been seeing in recent demos is still Optimus 2.5. And even that version has stunned audiences. Performing fluid kung fu moves so realistic that some people at the Tron Ares premiere actually thought it was a person in costume. It's also been spotted holding a microphone on stage and even serving food at the Tesla diner. Impressive? Absolutely. But this is just the beginning. According to Musk's long-term roadmap, Tesla aims to produce around 10 million units of the upcoming Gen 4 model and as many as 100 million for Gen 5. Most people understandably find that hard to believe, and honestly, so do we. Still, if Optimus 3 delivers on even half of what's been teased, we're about to witness one of the most extraordinary leaps in robotics yet. Like if Optimus, I think, could probably achieve 5x the productivity of a person per year because it can operate 24/7. It doesn't even need to charge. It can operate it tethered. So it's plugged in the whole time. However, it seems Tesla may be running a bit behind on Optimus 3. The robot was originally expected to make its big debut at the company's major November event, but that's now been pushed to the first quarter of next year. The delay likely comes down to one key challenge: the hands. During the meeting, Musk openly acknowledged the hurdles his team is facing. He called bringing Optimus to market an extremely difficult task and even admitted that the robot's hands and forearms are proving to be a tougher engineering problem than the rest of the entire machine.